What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Graham and Mario. And I would say that is a Game 7 Chris Ross. Nakakita tayo ng LA Tenorio Miracle Game, Game 6. Pero itong Game 7, arguably, I would say, this is a Chris Ross throwback. 19.7 assists, 3 rebounds, 4 steals. He was a pest on a defensive end. It was mostly a zone defense by Coach Leo Austria. And ako lang ba or parang hindi na na-figure out masyado ni Coach Tim how to break that zone of Coach Leo. They were confused. They didn't know what to run. And the fourth quarter, I'm not sure kung mag-agree si Mario and Grim that Hinebra dropped the ball on that one. Or would you say SMB was always in it? Sila nga ba talaga yung di rin kasi parang it was back and forth no with Hinebra even enjoying like an 8-9 point lead at one point in some parts of this game.
11.
And congratulations to SMB. I forgot to say that first. Congratulations to SMB. And before we move on, guys, don't forget to subscribe or follow us on Instagram _6man podcast. So Graham, as someone since back to the podcast na guys, sorry. Follow niyo kami Instagram. Graham, dahil ikaw yung nanonood live sa Smart Araneta Coliseum, kamusta? Na-wipe mo na ba yung tears mo? Nakakain ka na ba? Yun yung tanong ko eh. Nakakain ka ba? O sinuka mo
Kumain siya
lang?
tapos susuka niya. Kumain siya.
Alam nyo guys, there used to be a time na
Hmm.
pag natatali Nebra, I don't eat dinner.
I won't,
There was
we're
a
not
time.
surprised. Not surprised.
But
Kaya siya pumayat noong 2014.
yes, sir. Pero tapos na tayo sa phase na yun. But anyway, bro, congrats to San
Hmm.
Miguel. We're gonna have a lot of time to talk about Ginebra in this pod. But San Miguel, man, I always
Hmm.
told you na Chris Ross is always dangerous when it comes to clutch situations. That guy's the Robert Ory of the PBA. If we're being honest, and he was so excellent tonight. Na Ginebra was able to shut down Jericho Cruz. They were able to shut down si CJ Perez na halos hindi na ginamit, 'di ba? In the second half. They also they were able to shut down Wami Tiongson and even Marshall Lassiter, and still they had uh the pieces that took them over the hump. And well, yeah, when Wami was shut down, sabi ni Mario, it's not really a difficult thing to do, di ba? But hey man, I'm I'm just so impressed with SMB winning this game. Actually,
Hmm.
and you may have a hard time believing this, but hindi siya ganun kasakit. It's not as difficult as losing to TNT
Or
in the
Magnolia.
we don't lose to Magnolia. What are you talking about?
Give him that. You
Yeah.
give him that tonight, Nico. You
Diba?
You
don't
give
say
him.
bad
Okay, I'm
words.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't
Okay.
say
Sorry,
bad
sorry,
words.
sorry. Sorry, sorry,
But
sorry.
boy, hindi siya ganun kasakit. I don't know if sanay na lang talaga ako with all the heartbreaks, di ba? But SMB should have already finished this series last Sunday if not for the LA Miracle.
Actually, it could have
But
ended in
tonight,
6. Yeah.
and that's the ironic part. LA played great in Game 6, didn't play for outside of the couple of minutes that he did in Game 7. Chris Ross did not play in Game 6, played well in Game 7. What the heck is going on, man? So, SMB heading into the series, di ba? SMB in 7 nga ako, talagang sinabi ko lang, Game 7, pipiliin ko SMB. Di ba? I'd rather stick with my team.
Well, ako naka-SMB in 7 ako. Hindi ako sure. I don't remember what you guys
Yeah,
said.
they gave no SMB in 7 and then Mario and I were in Ebra in 7.
Ginebra in 7.
But man, this is something that is expected kasi nga sila na may favorites, and we can argue if Junmar didn't get hurt in game 1, aga natapos na itong series na to, di ba? With the way the rest of the Gen Kings played. So congrats to San Miguel. They really played well. They deserve to be in the finals. And that's as an aside, that's the most number of people that will watch a PBA game live for the rest of the conference. Like, they're not gonna
Feel
top
ko,
that.
Graham, pero ito hot take ko.
No.
Feel ko sa finals,
Alat siya. Bumabalat
may ano
na.
pa rin. Kaya pa rin i-fill. I'm not saying, Graham, na we're gonna sell out Araneta. I'm not saying,
No.
if
They
game 1 was
definitely
Phil
will not.
Sports, baka kaya ma-sell out. Pero,
They definitely will not. Here's what I'm gonna tell you. Lahat ng pinautang ko nung Sunday after the LA Tenorio.
forget it!
No,
Balik!
hindi. Kapag
Ay, di ba?
nalampasan nila yung 12,000, wag nyo na ibalik. Sa lahat ng mga pinautang ko, 100 mahigit yun. Yung pinagsisendan ko ng pera on Sunday. Hindi na balik.
What?
Pag nalampasan ng
Dami
SMB
na.
and TNT yan,
Pagit
yan na.
kapamilya.
Oo,
And,
man.
Klase ka, Brad. Nasa magaling pera na yan.
Sa illegal.
ah,
But
Tahimik ka.
yeah, San Miguel deserves to be in the finals.
Oh.
It's going to be a classic, parang flagship ng MVP versus flagship
yeah,
ng
dude.
SMC
Flag,
franchise.
yeah.
Yeah, that's all I want to say for now about SMB. Go ahead, Mario.
Hey, man. I will give this whole series, ang
Mm.
akin lang, for me, the MVP of SMB has not even been Junmar, hasn't even been CJ. If you ask me, the MVP of the series so far has been Mo Tautua for SMB, man.
Steady
Mo,
si Mo, no?
bro, Mo has
So
had a
steady.
good. I know he has those days where he did not really play well, but in the first half, Mo Tautua was the only one in double digits for SMB. Without Motao 2 in the first half, there's a very real possibility Hinebra's up 10 or 11. And that's not to say naman na they won't lose that lead at the end. But you get what I mean, man. Even in the second half, Mo had his moments. Per end of the day, man, Graham is right. It's very hard to beat this SMB team. In basically full force. Junmar Fajardo 60%, 70%, 80% doesn't matter. He's bigger
21 and 19. Kala mo mag-20 and 20 siya eh.
He's bigger than all of you. He's better than all of you. That's life. Deal with it. Right? And Graham is absolutely right, man. You limited Marshall Ashley to 5 points. You limited CJ Perez to 7 for 16. You
Mhm.
limited Wami Johnson to 6 points, but that's not hard to do. You limited Jericho Cruz to 4 points. But Chris Ross always has one game. Every series, Chris Ross in the finals, Chris
Has he
Ross.
been consistent na ganyan siya, na meron siyang
Brother,
isang laro
Yes.
lagi?
the last time,
Yes.
when it was in the last time it was in the finals, TNT versus SMB,
Game
Chris
7,
Ross
di ba?
ended it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chris
Ah,
Ross
okay.
ended that series.
Ito yung they prevented the Grand Slam, no? TNT
No, hindi.
was,
Ito
hindi mo ba
yung
to?
ito yung kay Coach George Gallen, All
Yeah,
Filipino.
Okay, okay, okay.
Na-injure na lahat, yung na-throw out si Poy Eram because of the
the elbow to the
flagrant
Intro
head.
na
on,
lahat.
oo.
Yeah.
'Di ba? And then Castro, Mikey, they all
Oh.
got hurt.
Man, and if we're being honest, they were the better team from the start.
Mhm.
Graham and I chose Ginebra because we're Ginebra fanboys. What do you guys want us to do? It's like asking me to pick the Clippers instead of the Lakers. Why would right? Um, But in this fourth quarter, man, lamang talaga si Coach Leo, if I'm being honest. Lamang si Coach Leo in this I think for maybe 3, 4, 5 games of this series, Coach Leo was the better coach throughout most of it. The fourth quarter adjustment to go into a zone when you haven't shown zone at any point in the series so far. Hey man, it takes balls, it takes guts, and it absolutely worked. He never couldn't dissect the defense at all.
Mhm.
The best they could do was um force up a three or get the ball into Troy Rosario, who I'll go into detail with later. Troy Rosario deserves so much credit, by the way. But I'll talk about that later.
Parang
Mm,
he's
yeah.
been deserving credit ever since game 1.
Yeah,
Troy
man.
Rosario has been
'Di ba kung
doing the
hindi nga
Deserving
right
lang
more than
siya
things.
somebody else.
hindi
He
lang siya
deserves it more
injured, 'di
than
ba?
somebody else. Di siya injured. This is
This is,
Troy Rosario healthy. Troy Rosario healthy.
this
Lost
is
to
yeah,
MVP.
healthy nga eh. Yeah.
Anyway, but yeah, dude. Basically all the things that Graham said. TNT
Oh,
is man. They are stacked to the brim. You don't no. I don't think any other team is playing Wami Johnson only 19 minutes. I don't think there's any other team that does that, man. I don't think any other team is playing Jerry Cruz. That's 90 minutes is fine, but to
yeah.
trust the man and Coach Leo didn't touch his lineup the whole fourth. It felt like.
Mhm.
I think he played the same guys the whole period except for CJ at the end, I think. He trusted Chris Ross and Chris Ross paid it off. Corner three, top of
It's
the
the
key.
run. It's the fourth quarter run, di ba? They outscored
Yeah.
Mga
Ginebra
steal, 'di
6 by
ba?
14.
But dude, ito yung akin na. For me, the way SMB was able to win this game was because at every moment when Hinebra looked like they were gonna run away with it, there was the shift. There was that momentum shift of a play, man. End
Mhm.
of
Hmm.
the first half, the Jason David foul on Rodney Brondial. Let's talk about Jason David later. The Jason David foul on Rodney Brondial where
All
Rodney hit.
1 minute and 15 of Jason David.
Yeah, I mean he hit the crazy ass fade away. I'm not gonna be mad.
Kobe.
Yeah,
Kobe.
he made
Rodney,
it. He made
so
it.
my bad. Rodney.
Ro-
Rodney. Yeah.
Rodney.
Yeah,
Grabe
so
yung tama sa kanya. Ginano, no? Sabi ko, end one pa. Sabi ko, parang ano to ah.
he
Diba?
missed the free throw, but doesn't matter.
Still, yeah, the momentum. Yeah.
Future
Momentum
generation,
play.
man, will say, Rodney.
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 But yun, man, even end of
Oh,
the third quarter, Hinebra up 11.
Oo, di ba?
Hinebra's up 11 at
mm.
60 to 71 with a minute
73-62.
left. With a
Seven,
minute,
Diba?
and then the quarter ends 66 to 73. If that
mm,
doesn't happen in the fourth quarter, at the end of the third quarter, there's a very good possibility Hinebra runs away in the fourth.
Mhm.
mm.
So, this kind of testament to sa mentality ng SMB, man, na dude, up 10, down 10, up
Wala.
15, 15. One play
SMB
at
and
a time.
7.
Aabot tayo
Up
dito.
10, up 15, up 20, SMB and 7.
Okay, and
That's right.
honestly, it wasn't even Junmar who won them that fourth quarter at the start of it. It was the mix of Don. It was Don. It was um I think it was Jericho. I'm not
No,
sure
it's
who
not tama eh. Sinabi talaga sa coverage na it was not just Junmar.
wasn't
It was
Junmar.
a,
Yeah,
it was a collaboration of everyone in
yeah,
SMB.
yeah.
Kaya Hinebra didn't know who to focus on because everybody was just hitting their shots.
Tsaka yung mga momentum plays, man. Like I said, the momentum
Mm.
plays. Down four, Ginebra had every chance of making a comeback. Chris Ross hits a corner three. Big shot yun. Down six or down four ata again. Ginebra has a chance to cut it to two. Junmar Fajardo blocks Japet Aguilar at the rim. And then Chris Ross blocks Stephen Holt at the rim also. It was
Mhm.
just those moments na SMB were more mentally tough, and that's why they deserve to win the game, man. And now you look towards the TNT series. Sorry, you look towards the TNT series of SMB going up against TNT, where, in all honesty, man, could go either way at this point.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yes.
Everybody will say na lamang ang SMB because it's SMB. Pero man, TNT has those dogs, bro. Well, obviously we're gonna make a completely different video or another
Yeah,
video
we
with the
are we are going to do a finals breakdown with complete with Canva. Na hindi pa tayo sino sponsor. Anyway.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like we have
Yeah.
there will be those discussions naman in the future, probably maybe in the next 1 to 2 days we'll have to record one where we go player by player and
Yeah,
choose
yeah. Let's do
bang
it Friday,
top
boys.
top
Friday na
choices.
lang. Or tomorrow when you guys want.
Basta
Yeah.
alam ko na, hindi ko sasabihin na 100% Scottie Thompson over Ray ng Batak. Yun na lang
Wala na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa days na
Wala
yun. Tapos na tayo sa
tayo.
days na yun. Tapos na tayo sa days na
Wala.
yun.
But man, I'm gonna say this. Tama si Mario.
Mm.
Whenever Hinebra felt like they're gonna pull away, SMB may sagot. And I never felt in this game na, mahirap na itabol na SMB. Always, di ba, chat ako sa inyo, I think the telecast was delayed by a couple of seconds up to 30 seconds
Oo,
probably.
mga ganun.
I said, guys, I don't feel comfortable na heading into the fourth na just up by 7 points. And some people are saying, oh, yung nasira yung scoreboard sa Araneta, nasira yung momentum ni Nebra, stop it. Stop it. Like,
Nasira ba? Nasira
nasira
ba yung sa Aranet?
for 5 minutes after the Jamie Malonzo N1,
Ah.
Ginebra was
Okay.
up 11, tapos nasira yung scoreboard. But it's not an excuse. Stop it, okay? We don't do that here.
Wala yan, Dini.
No. Another thing, and this is something na I may get a lot of flack about, is Coach Tim or has Coach Tim been checked in the PBA already? It's been done by Coach Chot, and it's
You
been
think for the
done
past
by
2 years?
for
You think for
Are
the
we
past 2
moving?
years?
this season na. I mean, yes, siguro, because he was also ousted in Game 7 against
Yeah.
Meralco last
Are
year.
we moving to Ginebra?
Diba?
What needs to happen for Ginebra
Then,
now?
then I was just
Wait lang,
saying
wait.
na,
Ano lang,
because
ma'am. Say.
people often refuse. I'll get there, bro. Believe me, I have a lot of things. But people often say na Coach Tim is the GOAT. I agree with that. And people often do not give credit to Coach Leo kasi malakas lang daw masyado yung lineup niya. But the adjustment that he made in the fourth, if they stayed on man-to-man defense, I don't think they're gonna make that run, di ba? Because Ginebra was so fluid offensively. I'm just saying, did the Coach Tim, master class already run its course? Na he doesn't make the adjustments that he needs, or is it just a bad series for him?
Hindi pwede
I
yung
was
hindi excuse yung bad series for him.
I'm just saying, man. And I'll defend Coach Tim. He's probably my favorite Ginebra coach of all time, if not Coach Al Francis Chua. who only coached for one
Is
conference.
it
But
Coach Tim or is it more of the system he's trying to employ? Does he need to mix it up? Does he need to
Same
get
thing.
out of the triangle?
That's the
well,
same
Same
it's
thing.
thing or
it's
that's
his
the same?
call. Eh.
I mean,
It's his call.
that's
You're the coach, di ba?
You're
mm,
the coach. You run your system. It's the same thing, man.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same. I'm gonna say it in this way. I
oh
think he has been checked. I think he has been checked. Not naman super checked. I would say RHJ checks every system.
That's true.
That's how I'll say that. I think RJ checks every system, and I think Junmar Fajardo also checks many systems as well. Uh,
yeah.
so he kind of ran into that buzz. So the one that I cannot fully defend is the one against Meralco. That one is where I'm just like, okay, he really just lost that series.
Yeah.
And to be fair, Meralco was on a fairy tale run. They won the championship against the SNB. That's life. Um, pero ang akin lang, I would still put him up there. I would still put Coach Tim
Still
up
is.
there. Yeah.
Yeah,
He
oh,
still
he's
is.
always up there naman eh. It's
I'm
more of
sure he's
the
better
past
than
2 years na.
Coach. I'm sure he's better than Coach Chito. I'm sure he's better than Coach
For sure.
Coach Franco. I'm sure he's better than Coach
Mm.
I forgot the one on the other teams. I might even say he's still better than Coach Yang Yao. But
I have him over Coach Yengyao, si
Is he
Coach
still
Tim.
the
Yeah.
best in the PBA?
and I think many people have already started discussing this. The triangle is outdated.
Yeah.
It's dead. It's
The
dead.
triangle is very much outdated. And we saw him make the adjustments, right? He started running a pick and roll against Junmar Fajardo. And but my thing is, the best way I can answer this for you, Graham, is if you can't score on a zone for a very solid period,
It's like
I
5 to 6 minutes, no? Took
With
a
enough
while.
shooters. With enough shooters
with
on the
enough
court.
shooters, with enough shooters, I do think at that point you kind of need to look around and say, "Hey man, something is not going well." I'm not telling Hinebra at all to replace Coach Tim Cone. I don't see any other replacement out in the distance.
Parang walang ano
Good
eh, no?
enough.
Walang qualified ngayon na coach that could
Yeah,
take on the Hinebra
not at
coaching
all.
job. Ako
The
keep
most I
Coach
would
Tim pa rin.
the most I would say is Coach Norman, but Coach Norman is not going to Hinebra. Um, I would say na if in that span, if you cannot score for that long period, something's gotta give, man. Yeah, that's how I'll answer that question, I guess.
Guys, I had to research this while you were
Mm.
talking. Um, Coach Tim Cone ditched yung kanyang long sleeve and tie in the 2022 Commissioner's Cup. That was
Bay Area ba yan?
the Bay Area
Oh.
conference. They won the title. Since then, they never won another championship.
Saan mo
Coach
nakuha
Tim,
yan? Okay yan ah.
it
Saan mo nakuha yung
may
mga yan?
be time. Pakibalik yung long sleeve and yung necktie. It looks cool, it looks elegant, it looks fresh, it looks respectable.
And maybe the
Please,
mojo is there.
please, please. That's it. But I still believe he's a top two
Mm.
coach in the PBA right now.
Who's number one?
Coach Chot is the best
Coach
coach in the
Shots
PBA
number.
right
In the
now.
PBA, yeah, okay.
Come at me again. Come at me for that. Whoever wants to come at us for that, dude.
I'm
In the
I'm gonna say
PBA
this.
right now, yeah.
Coach Tim is Manny Pacquiao, and then Coach Chot is Juan Manuel Marquez. Like that guy just knows how to irritate and irk Coach Tim. But
Actually,
man, one last thing about SMB, I hope June Mars
Okay.
gets healthier
yeah.
because
Sunday na eh.
he was really limping against he was really limping at halftime. But in the third quarter, siguro the rest was enough na masahe whatever happened. Hindi mo basta-basta maitutulak si BGR the way you can Japet Aguilar. So,
And Regalinato din from time to time with the Poy Eram there.
Poy
Here and there.
Eram, di ba?
Hey, speaking of Japet Aguilar,
Okay, okay. Ito na yung Hinebra segment. Congrats, SMB. Okay.
stretch. Okay, here. This is how I'm gonna start this. And I know Graham will agree with me on this.
Of
If
course.
if Christian Stan Hardinger is on this Hinebra team instead of Japet Aguilar right now, Hinebra is moving on.
Didn't I tell you?
Yeah, feel ko rin
Sasagasaan
nga.
niyo si Junmar every time. I don't care if Christian Stenhardinger goes 9 out of 35 from the free throw line. he is going to make Junmar work. He's gonna make Motao Tua work. Christian Stanhardinger is 100. If Christian Stanhardinger is Jeron Teng na pinainom mo ng 100 cans ng Red Bull at pinataba
Actually,
mo. He is that
actually.
guy.
Oo nga, no? Parang gano'n si Christian Hardinger.
That call.
Diba? So,
What is that call,
Jeron
dude?
Teng na
Yes,
pinainom mo,
that is it.
pinainom mo ng ano?
Nasty.
Pinainom mo ng ano, Red Bull?
$100 ng Red Bull. And then,
$100 ang Red
sumipa
Bull.
agad yung tama. So, he's so strong. And then, pinalapad mo pa siya. So, yeah, Christian Stenhardinger
That's nice, actually.
is Jeron Teng in Henry Galinato's body. That's how I say it.
Wow.
Christian Stenhardinger is Jeron Teng in Henry Galinato's body. If we can make that.
Yeah, me and Graham have always, we were surprised when the trade happened in the first place, right?
Ako it was.
Wala bang noise nung it was leading up to that? Or it was just random? It just came out?
It was the day before na nagre-release, may rumors na.
May mga rumors na.
Oo.
Teka lang.
Oy.
May isa pa ako. If Javi Gomez de Leano is on Ginebra instead
Galing
of
sa SJ practice na Mario kanina. Ay,
Hey, guys.
yesterday. Magkasama tayo yesterday.
Yesterday. If Javi Gomez de Leano is on Ginebra instead of Jeremiah Gray, Ginebra is once again in the finals right now.
See?
This is the problem with stacking your team with all the talent in the world that you think is good enough to play for your team. Man, many Ginebra fans knew that Javi Gomez de Leano was going to be good for Ginebra. When he was drafted by Ginebra, many fans cheered because he fits the coach team system to a T. And Nico and I watched Javi 3 weeks ago. This man doesn't miss a 3-pointer. Okay?
Kahit may tao sa harap, no? Matik, kasi hindi niya
This man had so many people on him. I can't name names because papagalitan ako ni Nico. But this man had so many people, so many different defenders on him of different countries. Of different countries pa yung nagbabantay sa kanya sa practice. And Javi was hitting every three.
Doesn't matter kahit sino nasa-switch sa kanya, no? Tira lang siya, pasok pa.
And Javi wouldn't fit perfectly on his team. C-Stand is the perfect Junmar player to go against Junmar Fajardo because number one, C-Stand can defend.
Hindi niya maiurong.
Hindi mo maurong si C-Stand.
Hindi niya maurong si C-Stand kasing laki rin ni Junmar yun,
The problem
diba?
is,
kasing lapad
diba? Japet doesn't know how to box out, if you ask me.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Right? You get me? Japet can out-jump you. That's why he gets rebounds.
But he's gonna box you out in terms of technicalities. Dun siya nagkukulang.
Christian Stanhardinger doesn't need to jump for a rebound because he's boxing you out like a dog.
He's gonna push you.
You have no chance of getting a rebound on Christian Stanhardinger because Christian Stanhardinger wants the rebound. That's how it goes, man. Obviously, ano to? Obviously, it's too late now if you're Ginebra, right? You let go of Javi, you have Jeremiah on one knee. You let go of C-Stand, you have Japet Aguilar who has his days where he's good, has his days where he's bad. I'm not gonna pretend like he's a bad player. Hindi naman tayo ganun kakupal. Or
yeah.
At the very least.
Bro, you know what hurts? Javi wanted to go to Ginebra because that was his team growing up.
Exactly.
May mention nga siyang ganun, diba? May mention siya somewhere about that. Yeah, I remember
and to
reading
be traded, I don't think he even lasted a week sa Ginebra.
It last 3 days.
Diba? So when you get traded to a team
nag-aago siya siguro, no? Oh.
Diba, no, na alam mong wala namang patutunguhan. That's the painful part. Na alam mong hindi na babalik si Javi sa Ginebra. Kahit ano pang pitas kasi kayo ng pitas eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Didn't you see the Phoenix Suns? Didn't you see the Brooklyn Nets? You can just stack stars together and hope that they can win. That you can win. Diba? So, even C-Stan. The C-Stan trade, I'm still hurt. But you got Holt in return. And Holt just does so
and
much.
Isaac Go. Who is yet to play after a year na, no?
Did we even
1
get
year
Isaac Go? I think Isaac Go is a ghost employee by now. If I'm honest with you. Like, para siyang nasa payroll pero hindi mo naman nakikita. That's Isaac
there,
Go.
At least he's present for every game sa behind the bench naman niya. Pero yun nga, sayang rin na what Isaac Go could have made a difference.
Yes, of
Maybe
course.
he could have for sure. He's gonna stretch out the floor. That's a three-point shooting big man.
Not just that, at
Floor
least
spacer
ikaw
talaga
ang
si George.
idea.
And high
And
IQ. It's a high IQ player.
oo, and tsaka yung hindi siya madaling well, matutulak pa rin siya ni Junmar,
But he's still 6'10". He's
not
still
like
like, I mean,
Japet.
sorry, 6'9". Yeah, yeah.
Oo, di
Yeah,
ba? He's
man.
not as tough as Seastan,
Yeah.
but man, okay, now we're done with I'm actually not done. Bro, why will you drive, go reverse, go
Bakit
Julius
yun?
Irving mode on Junmar?
Oh,
That
ginagawa.
guy will block you. And then there's another try na he thinks he's still 2013 Japet Aguilar taking off from outside the restricted
Did,
area. Man, that's not
did you
gonna
see that?
work.
Did you see that dunk attempt?
Yes,
Nag-shot ako
man.
agad kay
Yes,
Mario.
sir.
Uy, Mario, nakita mo ba yung ginawa ni Japet?
Yes, sir. And I don't think his hands were even above the rim. So even if hindi siya natapal ni Junmar, paano niya shoot yun with the way he finishes?
Did
Diba?
Junmar even jump? Junmar just swiped his hand like that, di ba? Ano ba?
Diba?
Wala
Bro,
naman.
bro, I was on the SMB side. So mga
Oh,
SMB pa,
Kitang-kita mo.
huli. I can't defend the guy, man. I can't. He did a good job managing his fouls.
Yeah, yeah.
That's something that I'm gonna give
Hmm.
to him. But man, also the I'm so tired with Game 7 Maverick and Messi.
Oh yeah.
This
let's stop it right there. I'm so
Hmm.
tired of Maverick Hamnisi.
Oh, yan na. Is Al Francis Chua tired of Maverick
Not
Ahanisi? I
just
think
Game 7, Mav. Every Mav.
yeah. Bro, if you have saan ba yung practice ng Ginebra? I don't know kung saan sila nagpa-practice, but if you bought a condo doon sa malapit sa practice ng Ginebra, buy another condo, man. You're not gonna stay with the Gin Kings next season. Your ass is gonna get traded. Because you are so disappointing in Game 7. It's like I I have no words for Mav, man. Like he has to be the filler for RJ. If RJ is not working, which there were moments when RJ was really great in this game, and there were moments when he was not. Dapat si Mav yung fill na yun eh. And also, I'm really surprised why LA Tenori did not play. Like Coach Tim, did you suffer from short-term memory loss?
Yeah, hey,
Wasn't
man.
it just 3 days ago when you said LA Tenorio hit so many shots like that it put your kids into college? What happened? What happened? He only played 2 minutes and 28 seconds, man. What happened?
Oh,
talo ko mababad siya ng onti eh. Kahit mga
Diba?
10-15
He
minutes eh.
deserves it.
Hindi ko
He
na-expect yung
deserves
2
it.
minutes something.
even just not like just additionally to that, man. Just because I don't want this whole thing to be I don't want people to feel like we just are hating right now. Obviously, naman, I think it's been quite obvious what that me and Graham are quite passionate about Ginebra.
Barangay.
But end of the day is last conference you didn't get it done. 2 conferences ago you didn't get it done. 3 conferences ago you didn't get it done. 4 conferences ago you didn't get it done. When was the last time they got it done? I know Graham has that number exactly. I don't.
Yeah. January 15, 2023, di ba? Against Bay Area in the Philippine Arena.
This guy knows. This guy will always know.
Yup, exactly. Graham knows it.
There will
Graham
be a
knows it exactly.
2.5 years na. It's been
yeah,
2.5 years.
guys, the Kangkong era started like this. The very next season, they were in the finals against San Miguel in Game 7. They lost. And then, pasulpot-sulpot sila in the finals. Ang bilis lang na 8 years, man. For all we know, they may be in that era again. I don't think they are.
I don't think they are either.
Feeling ko wala na parang hindi.
As long as you have the names that you have on that team, you're fine, man. You have the RJ, you have the Scotty, you have the Troy, you have
Jamie. Hindi pa
you
rin
have
Jamie.
Hey man, I forgot to say this. Hey, at least somebody came out to play.
Jamie played well.
Yeah, Jamie played. Yeah. Let's not forget
I want to
Jamie.
give credit to Jamie, brother.
The only thing that he did not do well, it's not entirely his fault, but his foul trouble. Yun yung
Yeah, 5 fouls.
third quarter 4 fouls na siya eh. So hindi siya makadepensa almost at all. But man, he almost led the comeback, 'di ba? 5 down 9, hit up 4 and then RJ niluwa lang yung tres, but hey man, give credit
Looked
where
good,
credit is
yeah.
due.
The
I
shot
sold all
looked
my
good.
Jamie Malone so stocks. I even put him out of my Gilas lineup, but
Yeah.
he was good tonight.
Yeah. And two people came to play. Actually, no, sorry. 3 people came to play today and who have Yeah, three people came to play today. Scotty Thompson came to play today. 16, 7, and 8. Those are not easy numbers. Troy Rosario has come to play this entire series.
Entire
Mhm.
Okay.
series, walang Troy
Hey,
Stinker
man.
masyado. He's been really helping out for sure.
Do you think he
Yeah.
regrets choosing Inebra over Converge?
I don't think so. I don't think na magre-regret siya.
Okay.
Gul-gul.
Okay.
No comment on Verge.
Brother,
No comments.
why would he regret it? If we're being honest, baka ibabang kulang ni Coach Franco yun over Balti.
Well, that's he's the
Baka, oo nga
perfect
no, magkaka.
he's the perfect four for them.
Yeah, at least at the very least, at least dito, Ralph Koo was bangko instead of Troy, because
I'm so happy he's hitting his 3-point shots again, by the way.
yeah, that's a big thing. Uh, but okay, here's the question, and this is a burning question. Not really burning. We already know the answer to it. But how many players on Hinebra's roster right now do you want to keep? And if you can name them, I would appreciate it.
Okay.
Okay,
Scotty,
wait. Okay.
RJ, Troy,
Okay.
Steven Holt, Malonzo,
Mm.
uh man, Raymond.
How about
I'll
defensive
keep Raymond.
superstar
I'll
Jason
keep
David?
no. Get out of here, man.
Get
Raymond.
out of
I
here.
keep Raymond. And I
Raymond!
keep yeah, I
And
keep
Nards,
LA.
we need
LA.
Nards,
Yeah,
bro. We
yes,
need the
yun yung huli
system.
ko. Yun yung huli ko, man. Like you need Nards whenever you're up against Converge if Mikey decides to suit up. Or if you're against TNT when heading is back healthy. That's it. I have 8. So I left out what? Aljon, Maya, David,
Japet,
Chaps,
Japet,
Mav.
which is
Mav.
we know Japet will stay
Wait, are you
there.
guys gonna
Chaps
still
not
keep
leaving.
LA sa playing roster? Baka pwede na siya mag-coach. I mean, talaga, we cannot
Yeah,
expect
siguro nga spurt na
even
lang
LA. I
yung
mean, all respect to LA, pero ano na talaga eh.
And by the
He's way
way,
past his prime.
this pod may have gone too long, but people won't
It's
mind.
okay.
This is the last time we're gonna talk about Ginebra. Coach Tim,
Sure.
didn't you realize that this might have been LA's last game in the PBA and you only gave him 3 minutes? Diba?
Yeah.
Hmm.
In all honesty, man, I'm gonna say this. At least you gave LA one more great memory as a
Yeah,
player.
actually, the game 6 LA, yeah.
Man, I don't you can't take I we can't take anything away from that. Nobody can take anything away from what LA did in game 3. Game
Game
6.
6.
Yeah,
Hmm.
so that's
That's
I'm
his send-off, eh. No? That's
yeah,
yun na yung Kobe 60-point game niya, eh. No?
exactly. Like
Actually.
okay na yan. So just because I don't want to make this obviously SMB is the one who won, and we've covered why SMB absolutely deserve to be there. But one of the last things I will say about this Ginebra roster is, end of the day, man, you put yourself in this position, 'di ba? Ikaw yung nag-trade kay C-Stand for Isaac Goz, One Knee, and
Steven Holt.
Stephen Holt.
But, well, you
Uh,
got RJ too from that trade.
yeah, the
Sorry.
pick,
Kasama
diba? They
yun.
got the pick. They got the
They got
pick.
the third pick, eh.
The third
Yeah,
pick.
you got RJ from that as well. Yes. You have you traded away
Javi for Maya.
Javi for Maya,
Traded Jamie for Arvin, di ba?
traded Jay. Well, that one I'm not that mad
That,
at.
that one, oo eh. Pero,
Traded for
yeah,
Arvin's fine.
Arvin.
But at this point, if you're Hinebra, I think you really need to look at what genuinely works na. These past 6 conferences, it hasn't really been sorry, 5, 6 conferences. I'm sorry, I don't really know the math of it. It hasn't really been
7 na ata eh.
7 ba? Sorry. Ever since the Bay Area Championship, it's been a bit rocky, 'di ba? And and that's because the standards for a Hinebra team are incredibly high. Brother, semifinals berth, semifinals exit, finals exit, people would some teams would laud for that, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Yeah.
The Northport would be like, yes, yeah, great year. Converge will be, yes, great year. Zamboanga,
Zambo.
when they come, will be, yes, great year. First year natin. But if you're Hinebra, you understand na iba yung standards pag Hinebra team ka eh. Hindi pwede yung ano eh, hindi pwede yung semis lang, hindi pwede yung finals lang, especially because of what you've done to the team. You've literally handpicked players at certain points, right? Players have chosen you to play like Troy chose Hinebra over Converge, Mav chose Hinebra over Converge, Nards chose
Mm.
Hinebra over
Nga,
Meralco.
ano? Tama.
Yeah, Converge, get that. But you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
this whole team has been built to succeed. And to have one championship in the past 10 conferences is kind of disappointing to that aspect.
Definitely.
Obviously, as Ginebra fans, that's why there is certain kalungkutan about it right now. Obviously, we feel bad that because it should have been a win for Ginebra, but okay, obviously SMB should have won nung
Yeah.
Saturday, Friday,
Sunday, though.
Game 6.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday.
Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah, they should have won on that as well. Ginebra should have won today. Ginebra should have won. Whatever. All that. At this point now, you have to look forward into the future, and genuinely, for me, look at who fits your team, who fits your timeline. I think the timeline now starts to matter, right? Um, RJ Barrientos is the youngest guy, and I'm assuming you are, and with Stephen, I'm assuming you are building around RJ and Stephen, right?
Steven's kind
Japet
of
is
old though. Medyo ano na rin si
Yun,
Stephen.
ano.
Hold eh.
old Stephen, I'm
But,
sorry.
35?
oh.
32? Oh yeah, it's 33. But yeah, si
Yeah.
RJ yung pinaka-realistic to build
RJ and
around.
QMB,
Stephen is
yeah.
33?
Steven
Diba?
Holt's
It
33.
doesn't look
33
like
na si
it.
Holt.
RJ and QMB will be, the future.
Who? RJ and
QMB.
RJ and
QMB.
QMB.
That's
Yeah.
right. Alam niyo nakakainis, and
QMB!
Mario, I'm gonna piggyback on what, alam niyo nakakainis, so, obviously, I'm bald, diba? I already bought this, man. I already bought a crown in
Oh
case we went to
no!
TNT.
Sabi na
Oh
mo.
no!
Man, come on. I,
He
I
already
already
bought
have
it.
this,
He
man.
already
We
bought
tried
it.
to protect you, Graham. We tried to protect you sa group
I
chat.
already bought this, man. So I'm gonna wear this, and then I'm gonna tell you what happened. So when they won the
Burger
championship
King.
against Bay Area, Mario, Nico, they were at their peak, but that's like probably the best version of themselves. The next
Mm.
conference they lost to TNT. Remember yung Justin Brownlee poison game in game 5?
Yeah.
Food
And then they
poison, yung
lost,
food poisoning shit.
and then they
Yeah.
lost in game 6, di ba? Against TNT. That's the first RHJ championship. Okay, fine. Then they lost to, then the next conference, Brownlee was suspended with all the stuff that happened. It was the
Mm.
Tony No Bag Bishop conference. Diba?
Hindi
That's
mo
not the
nabutan yung
SMB.
Mario yung pag-usapan
Hey,
namin ni
Gagi!
Graham.
Tony
Hindi,
Bishop? I
yung,
was
no,
there.
hindi, pero usapan namin ni Graham yung mga chat pa lang namin, wala pa tayong group chat noon.
Yeah, Tony No
Yeah,
Bag
you sure seen
Bishop
the things he's been saying.
who couldn't make a move for his life. That's fine, di ba? Wala tayong Brownlee. The next conference came in. They were able to get back to the finals. Or sorry, I think that was the conference na na-sweeps, natalo sila ng Meralco in 7. Diba? Parang doon na nag-umpisa yung downfall na doubts were starting to come in. And then hindi. Nakabalik sila sa finals against TNT for 2 straight conferences. And you can argue they could have won either of those 2 finals, diba? If a couple of things went their way. So saan nagkulang yung Ginebra along those lines? And they traded Seastan, I think, after the Meralco loss in game 7. So heading into the 49th season. So, diba, you can see that the downfall is starting to get there. And then yung ginawa nila did not improve the team. I believe if they have Seastan right now, because we can't just talk about Seastan. Stanley Pringle was included in that trade. They have Stan the Man and Seastan right now. Sige, wala si Holt, diba? Wala rin si RJ. But I think those 2 would have been better options in this game 7. But that's just me. I'm just saying na since the Bay Area Championship, after nun, parang maliit pa yung bagsak, and then after the Meralco game 7 loss, and then we were not in TNT or SMB's level. I'm just saying.
Yeah. So
It hurts.
at this point, I think it's become kind of clear na we hate the calls. We hate whenever people say na asa kay Justin Brownlee. We hate it. Right, Graham?
Yeah.
Like,
We hate it.
Shouldn't we be?
we
Shouldn't we
hate
be?
it. Like, how dare you? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
Should,
yun. it's a little it's disheartening to see yung Asa kay Brownlee. But the reality is, man, you kind of need to prove at some point that you are not Asa kay Brownlee.
That's true. And you cannot prove that until next season. I don't know if mauuna ba yung Philippine Cup next season. But
Yeah,
if it isn't,
for 50th
50th
na eh.
mauna
So
yung Philippine Cup.
Philippine mo na ata, sa alam ko ah.
Okay. If mauna yung Philippine Cup, then you have the entire off season to make some bogus moves to strengthen your lineup and prove that you
Bogus
can win
moves.
without Justin Brownlee. Wag lang pitas ng pitas, piliin din natin. Di
Yeah.
porket nakalaylay na yung manggang hinog, pipitasin mo. Eh paano kung may mas maganda pala dun sa taas, di ba?
Yeah, like ba't mo kukulit si Joshua Munzon? Wala rin naman shooting yan. Like, you know
Oo,
what?
di ba? That's true.
You know what I mean? Like, people have dangled that name around the Hinebra one for so long. People dangled Wami Chongson around Hinebra for so long. People dangled, um, daming pangalan. People dangled,
Lahat pwede na. Lahat ng pwede.
they dangled, we've heard the Calvin Abueva to Hinebra also.
Yun ang gusto ko, man. Like, if you can make a way for him to get to
Gagawa na ng
Ginebra.
paraan yan para sa'yo, Brad.
Oh,
Para sa'yo,
bro,
Grimmy.
Para
Just for
sa'yo, Greg, gagawa na ng paraan
just
yan.
for you. Gagawa sila ng paraan.
that's
Just for
true.
you, ha?
Man, one last thing, Terra Firma, before you go, please get the number 1 pick traded to Ginebra. We get QMB. We're set up for the future.
Set it up!
One last
Set
wish.
it up!
For old time's sake, throw us an alley-oop, Terra Firma, Jeep. And we're gonna get QMB. One last thing, and then I think we can go because we talked about so much Ginebra. Alam niyo nagpamalas, nakadila si Japit.
Kailan siya dumila?
In the third quarter kasi siniko siya binigyan siya ni Moutaw Tua on a rebound play. Nasikmuraan ata siya. And then the very next play kahit siya ng corner jumper. And then after that tumatakbo siya nakadila. So, malas yun, man.
Oh,
Don't
wait
do
lang,
that.
Go lang.
You're not Kevin Ferrer, man.
Wait lang, gusto ko lang to sabihin.
Oh.
For the clarity of it all. At this point, I'm sure many people who are listening out there will be like, fuck, hater pala si Graham pati si Mario ng Hinebra. Guys, okay, I tell this to Nico and Graham all the time because it stresses me out. You need to be realistic about your teams, right? You have to absolutely be realistic. You can't tell me that somebody's a better shooter than somebody else because they shot less attempts but made. You can't tell me
Hindi ko
that.
talaga mag-argument na yun, man.
Man, I'm not letting that go, guys. I'm just saying. But for the spirit of my mental health, I let that one go.
Those
But sila
people,
Graham,
Mario,
sila Graham no, man. Sila Graham no. I was not letting that shit go.
Mario, those people who do that, yung parang, kasi favorite ko tong team na to, dapat hindi ko binabash si ganito. Guys, you can be objective. Those people are the most annoying parents in the world kasi gagawin nila yung mga anak nila na spoiled. Okay, anak ko to. So hindi ko pagagalitan to kasi anak ko to eh. But no, you have to do that. You have to do that, 'di ba? And to the people who are saying na hater pala kay Nebra. No, we're not. Alam niyo ba kanina pagtapos ng game, di lumabas agad ako sa parking. I did not. You can review my car's dashcam. I did not. Wala akong pinasingit na kotse on my way out. Wala. Nung game 6, sure, mauna ka, di ba? Kasi nauna ka kahit
good vibes ako eh.
Kanina, no, wala. Ganun ako ka-diehard pa ng Ginebra. I left the Coliseum immediately after the final buzzer. And then wala akong pinasingit. Ganun kainit yung ulo ko. And tawagin nyo kami fake Ginebra fan. You're crazy. Kaya ako lang naman to sinusuot dahil sa bet namin. In next season, di nyo na makikita ang suot ko to. Pinamigay ko na to. All are crazy.
Sa bet namin.
Don't wait for Ginebra to get in the final 700 costume na hindi ko sinuot ngayon.
Actually, sinuot mo na nga eh.
No, meron pang isa.
One half of the costume.
This is just a prop, man. I have the real costume.
Sige, hintayin natin, Graham. I'm not sure how many that will be. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 years from now, but I'm gonna wait for it.
That's what I'm saying, man. QMB, we need you. It rhymes, di ba? Alam mo, one thing about Ginebra players, pag magaling ka, kailangan tatlo yung syllable ng ano mo eh. kailangan meron kang 3 syllable sa pangalan mo.
Bakit?
Kagiwa, Jaworski, QMB.
May
Diba?
na,
It fits. It fits.
QMB.
Tenorio.
Diba?
Pero,
Tenorio, Iskati. Diba?
Aguilar.
Nobody,
Ay, mali. Ay,
nobody ever
oy.
did that. Nobody ever
Ay,
did
wala
that.
ba? Wala ba?
Hey, hey, cut
Sorry,
that,
sorry.
cut that, cut that, cut that.
Sorry.
Raymond, yeah, pwede.
Ah,
They're
Raymond
chanting
ah.
for Raymond.
Raymond.
No, Aguilar, di ba? But they're looking for Raymond, not for Japet. That's what I'm saying.
Totoo. Nung nag-Aguilar si Nico, wait a minute,
Actually, hindi mo ba nag-aagit? Diba nag-cheer yung mga tao pag pinapasok si
Guys,
Raymond?
do you know Homer C? Kilala niyo si Homer C?
No. I don't know
No,
how Homer
that
said.
guy used to play for Ginebra. That's your typical 12th man na
Homer said.
if may MPBL na nun, he would have been a mainstay in the MPBL. He also has 3 syllables. Homer C. So
So,
I'm
siya yung Raymond
saying,
nung
man,
time na yun.
he's worse than Raymond, man. Raymond's a better player than Homer C. I don't know how to describe si Homer
Siya yung
C.
victory cigar. Alam mong panalo na. Isa
He's
panalo na sa
ito.
labas.
Si siya, Jalen Williams siya, yung Vietnamese. Parang
Jalen. Si Jalen
Actually, hindi
Williams.
nga parang magaling pa si Jalen
Magagamit pa
Williams.
si Jalen, bro.
But man, I'm telling you.
Baka
That's
Udonis
the
Haslem.
Nung
just
tumanda, yes.
Yung tumanda.
last words from me, man.
Oh, last word. Tagal na natin nag-record, man.
Before we move
11
on to the
po.
finals, when we make our finals pod and everything. First things first, congratulations to the San Miguel
They
BMX.
deserve it. They deserve it for sure, yes.
Out loud, outright, we're gonna say it. I don't think there was any Bigayan in this game 7.
No.
There was not a hint of Bigayan in this game 7. Because believe me, I think if there were Bigayan, it would have been Ginebra who would have won the game.
That's right. I mean, Junmar could have easily said, I can't do it anymore, di ba?
Yeah.
I'm hurt.
Masakit calf ko. Tapos,
Tapos,
I don't think there was any hint of Bigayan in this game 7, not even close to it. So SMB absolutely deserves to be in the finals. When they go up against TNT, it's gonna be a great finals. Might not fill the seats, but will be good. Will be good basketball. Yun
Yeah.
sure ako. To my to my knowledge and in my genuine opinion, Coach Leo against Coach Chot is better than Coach Chot versus Coach George Gallet. That's how I see that
oh
one.
yeah, for sure. For
And
sure.
further on to that, aside from this SMB thing, if you're Ginebra, now that you're eliminated, you've been eliminated, you've lost for 7 conferences in a row, time to shake things up, right? That's all this is. It's time to shake things up. Take some players out who maybe aren't really fitting your system, don't fit your timeline, and the fans aren't going away,
oh,
right? Man,
dito lang kami.
in my genuine belief, before the PBA runs out, the only way PBA runs out of fans is if Ginebra runs out of fans first. That's how it happens. So the fans are not going anywhere if you're the Ginebra team, right? It's just about, time for some more success soon, right? JB, Justin Brownlee's not getting any younger. You probably have 1 to 2 more conferences with Justin Brownlee before you replace him with Ben Simmons. And then
You mean Bronny James?
with Bronny James, with
Bro.
Bronny James.
Bronny's next. He's ready. He's prime. 2-1-1.
Hey man, don't say hey. I don't deal with no Bronny hate here in this.
8-8.
I don't deal with no Bronny hate, man. But yes, that's what we feel right now, and it's just so that we end it on a bit of a high note. If I'm being honest, I am excited about the finals, even if
Me too.
Ebra
Kahit
isn't
sino
in.
naman yeah. SMB,
Because
TNT,
either way,
Nebra,
man,
TNT.
yeah, either way, it's gonna be really fun when you think about, okay, it's either TNT wins the first Grand Slam in a while, or SMB denies the Grand Slam. It's gonna be really fun. I what date's it today? Today is Wednesday. We're probably gonna record the
Friday
matchup.
tayo. Friday siguro.
Probably gonna record the matchup one where we discuss um who goes where, what, why, and all that, and who we think wins. But we hope that even if Ginebra isn't in the finals, that the love for the game or the love for the PBA, tuloy lang
Doesn't
na,
go away, di
guys.
ba? Doesn't
Yeah,
go
it
away.
won't go away. It's gonna be fun pa rin naman. Let's not think about that. That's basically all.
Yeah, no, I was just going to say too na, again, congrats to San Miguel. they are the only team na as a Ginebra fan, I'm afraid going into Game 7. Not afraid of TNT, to be honest with you. And I know that sounds ridiculous, man, but wala silang June Murray. Junmar
They
is
have
something else.
BGR, they have
I
Aram,
mean,
they
man, Junmar is something else. Like
let's save it. Let's save it for the finals preview, Graham.
they're the
The
only
finals preview.
they're the only team that I'm afraid going into Game 7 against as a Ginebra fan. So congrats to them. Okay, hindi ko muna sabihin yung pick ko, but I already have one.
It's okay.
But
Let's do it for Friday.
You probably know it already. But they have been the better team all season long, all conference long. They're the number one team. And Ginebra, shake things up. Alam niyo yung pag sa tumbler niyo walang lumalabas na tubig kasi may nakaharang na yelo. Alugin niyo lang, di ba? Tapos may lalabas na tubig. So, think of it that way if you're Ginebra. Number 2, shout out to Coach Chito. This would not have happened without you. I think if Magnolia advanced, okay? Nanahimik si Coach Chito, no? If Magnolia advanced, I think the path for the Manila Clasico Finals would have been in red carpet. Tapos may mga rose pa sa gilid. Do you think San Miguel, the SMC franchise would prevent that, knowing that Magnolia beats Ross, can beat Ross, and would have beaten Ross? No. So, thank you, Coach Chito, for that. But that's probably for good because now Ginebra realizes that they need to shake things up. Pero Firma, one last gift. Get the number 1 pick before you sell your team. Trade it to Ginebra. Get whoever you want. As long as you don't touch the core, get us QMB. We are good to go. Okay?
Wait lang. Last, Graham, I think as a symbolism for the end of the season of the Gin Kings, I think before the podcast goes off, I think you gotta remove the crown, brother.
Yeah, tanggalin mo muna yan, men. Tanggalin mo muna yan. Okay na. And yes, kalbo po si Graham. Yes, kalbo po.
But man, what I'm also thankful for is walang gastos. Di ba? Di ka naman manonood. No. But if you want to watch, then fine. I'm good with it. Di ba? But I'm just saying, first of all, walang gastos. Second of all, makapag-focus ako sa PVL on tour. Di ba? Because I'll be there. I might not be present in game 1, even if Ginebra advance. I'll let you know. But all I'm saying is,
they will know. They will know. They will definitely know. If Ginebra was in the finals, they'll know from you.
I'll sleep peacefully tonight na, hey, di ba, the credit card debt rather, hindi magpapile up. Credit card bills are gonna be smaller. That's it, man. We're gonna see you still.
It's a long podcast. I think this is our longest.
Yeah. Magkaroon ka ba naman Japet stinker, Nisi stinker?
Cremonite tried to rebuild Ginebra in one podcast.
Ang dami sinasabi. Sabi mo, patay tayo dyan. QMB.
Alam nyo, if whoever watches this from the Ginebra side, if that happens, if the rebuild happens the way Mario and I described it, man, this is where it all started.
Hire us. Get us to the staff. We'll do the dirty work.
That's right.
Mas we did the research. Kunin mo.
Want me to drive Justin Brownlee?
Okay ba yan? Sige, kunin natin yan.
Want me to drive Justin Brownlee around Metro Manila? Sure, man. I'll leave my work for... No, I'm kidding. I won't.
He wouldn't.
He would. Mario, he would. Gagawin niya yun. He would. No kidding. He would. In a heartbeat. Sabi ni Justin Brownlee sa kanya, hey, Graham, you wanna be my driver while I'm here? Oh, sure.
You're like crazy.
Here's my resignation letter.
What time do you need to be picked up, sir?
How dare you ask me that? So, how many am I gonna pick? How many kayo sasakay sa kotse para ma-ready ko na? Okay, guys. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. This is podcast here with Nico, Graham, and Mario. Congratulations, SMB. We have a TNT SMB Finals. See you guys on Friday for the preview. Peace.
Adios, amigos.